Hey, it's your girl, ule mzee. And tumeanza kama kawaida kusema we will be walking around Mathare all the way to Lakisama to make sure that Mathare River is clean. Na tumesema hii kitu hatutaifanya peke yetu, and it's a challenge we are giving to all the youth out there. Come out your area, you are the vision of tomorrow. If you cannot take it upon yourself, no one else will. So tumekuja hapa tunapatia everything a challenge every week. Bring us on board. Tell us what you want to do different in your area and how you're planning to do it and what you're expecting to achieve from doing that. It's a personal responsibility, and we are going to change the attitude. That attitude, that thing that makes you to do the wrong thing. Like right now, I'm surrounded with garbage. If the cameraman can go round, I'm just surrounded with garbage, and I'm wondering how this is possible next to Mathare River. How is it possible? This is called indiscipline. So we want people to pick up their own responsibility and make sure you are the change that you want to see. It is a challenge, and we are going to take it to both the parents, the children, the youth, the administration, and the national government as well. Yeah. So hit that subscription button. Well-being with Winnie. Don't forget that. Well-being with Winnie. Yeah. What is your well-being? Your mental health matters. This is a problem.